President of
the United States.
Thank you all for being here today.
Or was I?
Daddy, it's this one!
No!
Shut the fuck up! This is your pardon turkey. Happy Thanksgiving, little fella.
And there's a cow and a chicken, and that's Paul. He's getting a divorce.
Downward spiral, downward spiral, downward spiral, down.
Ball guy. That's the girl who likes my daddy. Don't tell anyone.
I did not have sexual.
Birdie.
Luigi?
You're
Dinner. Die.
I'm Jake.
From State Farm.
Security! Set tasers!
From stun to kill.
Please don't hurt me. I don't know who you are.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Are you insane? It's me.
Is it? Is it really?
Would you get off me? Do not come into my personal space. Did you not see the line? Snap out of it, Reggie. Wait, how did you know my name? We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get off turkeys. That's right. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get off turkeys.
Greetings. I am STEVE.
Steve.
Your space-time exploration vehicle envoy.
Oh, great and powerful Steve! What do you want?
Take us to the first giving.
An octopus. A king.
My boy.
A pony. The Sasquatch. Psst.
Never taken a lesson if you lack the courage.
I'll show you courage.
Alright, I'm cool now. I'll kill everyone, become God, rewind time, and bring everyone back. The next episode, he's walking around like he's the shit. There's confidence. Mwah. Kiss me, bitch, I got a speech to give.
Oh my.